let's build our project to an Oculus Quest actually. And we need to set a couple more things before we do that, and we all do them right in the build settings. So let's go to File, Build Settings, and first things first, we were here before when we switched platforms, if you remember. We need to change some things. So the first thing I need to do is change this texture compression to ASTC. Why? I don't really know why, because I've never, it just says to do it in the documentation. The other thing is, right now if we built it, nothing would actually really be built, because you see here we have the scenes in build, and there's nothing in there. So let's just add open scenes, because we have our scene open, and voila, it's there. Lastly, what we could do is we could tell it that it's a development build. That's fine. I don't think it really matters if we do that. But when you have your Quest plugged in, it should have it in the thing. If it doesn't, because you plugged it in after you opened up your Unity, hit refresh, and here it is. I see my Oculus Quest, which I have plugged in. And now I simply just hit build and run, and it will send it up to the Oculus Quest. This is a big warning here. The first time you build it, it's going to take an excruciatingly long time, like 20-30 minutes. But after that, every time you build, it'll take more like a minute. So it's just this first one. So I'm going to hit build and run and stop the video. That's just how it would work. It will just go to the Oculus. Oh, actually, real quick before I do it, when you hit build and run, you do have to give it a name. So I'll just call this Oculus Test, save, and then it will take its time to build.